We've installed a hybrid solar thermal PV panel system along with a water source heat pump system. That takes the building to where we set our target 10 years ago of going beyond zero carbon in terms of the carbon emissions of the operation of the building, as well as providing significant heat source for the whole site here as a whole. In financial terms, then we expect there to be direct bottom line saving for the operation of the building of somewhere between £3,000 and £4,000 per annum.
So this is probably the cleverest piece of solar technology you're likely to see at the moment. It provides electricity for us and it provides hot water. It's a combined system called PVT. This is the nerve centre, this is really the plant room, this is where everything comes together. And we've got hot water cylinder which is fed partly from our solar thermal, and we've got a heat pump here which we've connected up through a water source into our borehole, and there's a buffer store, so any of the additional water that we have available is stored in the buffer, and when it's called for, it's then distributed through our underfloor heating system.
It's another important step along the way which we've taken at the right time. We could have taken this step a few years ago, but it wouldn't have been financially viable. Now it is, and that's the important message. And then somehow my grandfather acquired it.
We have now to change our ways of thinking, our ways of generating energy, our ways of behaving. And this is a very good example of what can and I think will be done. And so when you think about what's happening at Pines Calyx, you've got to reflect to yourself, this is one of the ways forward in the future, because we can't carry on as we are, neither globally, nor nationally, nor locally. So here's an example of what you can do.